Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add sharpness to your Lightroom photos. Alright, so this is the image that we're going to work on with the sharpness. So the sharpness is under the detail tab on the right hand side in Lightroom. And here I'm going to add about 40 amount of sharpness, right? And if you're looking at the screen, you can't really see the amount that was added. Most people would just zoom in and see, let's see if it's sharp enough or whatever it may be. This is the area right here that a lot of persons don't use to help them to identify what area are the areas in the image that is sharpened by this slider right here. All right, so let me show you how it works. All right, now if you press the Alt key on your Windows computer or even on the Mac computer and press on the slider, you see everything turns white. What that white represents is sharpness. This is telling us that everything in this photo, the sharpness was added. But as we move it across to the right, we notice some black areas starts coming in. And those black areas that we see, those are the areas where sharpness is not added. Okay, so if we move it all the way across, right, and let it go, then it disappears, right? But if we keep holding it, it will show us all those black areas. So that 40, say 40% of sharpness that we added to the image is only on those white areas that we're looking at, right? So if we carry it back here, we see more and more sharpness has been added to the image. All right, so let me show you what that looks like. So what if let me just maximize that sharpness. Okay, still you can just look at the image from this point and see where the sharpness is. But if we zoom in here, we can see all these things on our skin and all of that. If we turn it off, then it's nice and smooth, right? But turn it all the way up. All right, and let's try that masking area again, and let's slide it all the way across, and let's zoom in and look at our skin still, because when we look at it here, this part of the skin where the stomach is, there's no sharpness added, only at the sides, you know what I mean? So we can look at it again, there's no artifacts or anything building up on the skin. But if we take off the mask and sharpen everything on the image, then it looks like that. Okay, so I think that's a great way of adding sharpness to our photos and having them look the way we want them to look without actually destroying the image. Okay, all right, so yeah, for me, I would just normally put it somewhere about there. I like to see like these sharp edges, add sharpness to that to have it, nice and sharp, and keep the rest of the image nice and smooth. All right, so that's how I add sharpness to my photos. All right, guys, so thank you. Well, that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please just give me that thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just leave that in the comments down below. And also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.